This is income tax. The types of tax rates are two types. The rates of income tax are of two types: flat rate and slab rate. Flat rate, under this method the entire income is taxed with one rate. Okay, now next problem we are doing based on the flat rate. Problem number 4, already I have completed 3 problems. Now fourth problem, page number A81. Sri Shanti Swarup, age 51 years, reported his total income of 4,25,000, taxable at a flat rate. Flat rate, it will be given, the tax rate percentage will be given in the question. Calculate tax liability under optional tax regime. Now computation of tax liability. Computation of tax liability of Sri Shanti Swarup for the assessment year 24 to 25. Age 51 years means non-senior citizen she is. Total annual income 4,25,000 is given in the question, and flat rate 50%. So total income 4,25,000. Basic exemption for non-senior citizen it is 2,50,000 under optional method. So 1,75,000 the taxable amount. So basic tax 15%, flat rate it has given though. So after basic exemption, whatever the amount we are getting, on that we have to calculate 15%. So 26,250. Now tax rebate is allowed for flat tax rate. If it is given, tax rebate is allowed. So list of the following two: basic tax or fixed amount 12,500. Basic tax is 26,250, fixed is 12,500. So 26,250 minus 12,500, 13,750. On this is the taxable income. On this you have to add health and education cess 4%. So 550. The tax liability is 14,300. It's clear. अगर फ्लैट रेट अगर दे दिया अपने को टैक्स का, तो कंप्यूटेशन ऑफ टैक्स लायबिलिटी ऑफ श्री शांति स्वरूप फॉर द असेसमेंट ईयर 2024-25 यू हैव टू राइट. उसके बाद जो भी क्वेश्चन में एज दे दिए, नॉन सीनियर सिटीजन है, टोटल एनुअल इनकी फ्लैट रेट, टोटल इनकम पे बेसिक एग्जेम्पशन 2,50,000 माइनस करने के बाद फ्लैट रेट 15% जो है वो कैलकुलेट करना है. वी आर गेटिंग 26,250. उसके बाद अंडर टैक्स रिबेट अंडर सेक्शन 87(8) लिस्ट ऑफ द फॉलोइंग टू, ये दो अमाउंट में से जो है ना लिस्ट जो है सो अपने को डिडक्ट करना रहता, टैक्स रिबेट रहता. सो बेसिक टैक्स 26,250 है, फिक्स 12,500 है. सो 26,250 में से 12,000 माइनस करे तो अपने को 13,750 आ रहा. इसके ऊपर 4% हेल्थ एंड एजुकेशन सेस 550. So tax liability is 14,300. Resident individual paying tax under old regime. Flat rate it has given, no, that is comes under old regime only. So rebate amount, list of the following two amounts. Actual income tax 12,500. It's clear. You have to refer the textbook. All information is given, basic exemption and tax rebate, everything it is given. You have to refer. So page number A44 it has given. That's why I have taken this tax rebate under section 87A. It is allowed to the non-senior citizen. Basic tax rebate is allowed to the non-senior citizen. So she is a non-senior citizen. List of the following two: basic tax. Basic tax in this problem 26,250 and fixed is 12,500. List we have to deduct. It's clear now your doubt? Page number A44 it has given clearly. Rebate amount, list of the following two amounts: actual income tax 12,500. Now the assessee is an individual and residential for previous year resident. Total income aggregate of all taxable income is up to 5 lakh, and total aggregate of all taxable income is should be aggregate to 5 lakhs. It should be aggregate to 5 lakhs रहना, तो tax rebate allow है लोग को. This condition. Now explanation: non-senior citizen and senior citizen are entitled to claim tax rebate. Non-senior citizen and senior citizen only are entitled to claim tax rebate. It's clear? So that is super senior citizens are not entitled to any tax rebate because their basic exemption limit is 5 lakhs. So under optional regime, if an assessee is a super senior citizen, then tax rebate is not allowed for them. Special note: tax rebate is not allowed for all casual income also. If any assessee normal income, if is given income from business that is given, then you have to calculate tax rebate. But if casual income it is given, tax rebate is not allowed when we are doing the problem. Remember this point. It has given in the special note that tax rebate is not allowed on casual income, that it is allowed for tax on normal income only and special income. Special income, three incomes you have to remember: casual income, normal income, special income. It's clear? So normal income, special income, tax rebate is allowed, and the total income should be up to 5 lakh aggregate income, that you have to remember. And non super senior citizen is not allowed tax rebate. Rebate under 87(8) is not available in respect of tax payable at the rate of 10% on long term capital gain under section 112A. Now special income, no, special income is this long term capital gain is comes under special. But again one point it has given here: rebate under 87A, this is 87A, is not available in respect of tax payable at the rate of 10% on capital long term capital gain. If 10% long term capital gain is there, we have calculated that in that case there is no taxable, that rebate is allowed, that you have to remember. Whether the SSC followed old regime or new regime is clear, no? Now one more point I have to discuss: surcharge. This is the additional tax an SSC has to pay. Whether the total income is 50 lakh to 1 lakh, the SSC income is, if it is more than 50 lakhs to 1 crore, 10% surcharge he has to pay. It's clear? Then 1 crore to 2 crore, 15%, and next 2 crore to 5 crore, 25%. These points you have to remember. If exceed 5 crore, 37%. It's clear? Now we will discuss fifth problem. It's clear now? Fourth problem. How much we got the answer? 14,300. No? Let's check it. Fourth problem, 14,300. It's clear? Under old regime. Basic income is 26,250. We got it. Tax liability is 14,300. Now, problem number fifth. Srimati Josna Frederick, 67 years, is having a total income of 4 crore 14 lakhs. Now when crores will come, surcharge will be there. Taxable at a flat rate 20%. Determine the tax liability. She is shift out of the default tax regime and pay tax under regular provision of the act. Now it's clear with the question. Computation of tax liability of Srimati Josna Frederick for the assessment year 2024 to 25. Her age is 67 years, so above 60 years senior citizen. 60 to 80 senior citizen. It's clear, no? 80 above super senior citizen. So her age is 67 years. So she comes under senior citizen category. Total income 4 crore 14 lakhs. Flat rate it has given. Now the SSC income, if it is more than 50 lakhs, surcharge will be calculated. So 25%. This come under the category of 2 crore to 5 crore. I have showed you the table, no? So it's comes surcharge 25%. It will not be given you in the question. This table you have to remember. That's why I am showing the textbook. 2 crore to 5 crore, 25%. Her income is 4 crore 14 lakhs is there. No, she comes under this category. That's why we are taking 25%. It's clear, no? If her income is less than 2 crore, 15%. If less than 1 crore, more than 50 lakhs, 10% only. It's clear? You have to remember this table. That's why I am showing you. I am clearing every dot. Why we are taking 25% surcharge. It's clear, no? Now basic exemption for non-senior citizen, it is 3 lakh. In the previous problem, she was non-senior citizen. Basic exemption was 2,50,000. For senior citizen, basic exemption is 3 lakhs. This is the simple points you have to remember. Now taxable income is 4 crore 11 lakhs. So flat rate it has given in this 20%. We have to calculate on 4 crore 11 lakh. It is coming 8 lakhs 82 lakhs 22,000. 82 lakhs 20,000 it's coming. Now on this we have to calculate surcharge. After calculating 20%, no, whatever the answer basic tax amount you are getting, on that, not on 4 crore 11 lakhs you have to calculate surcharge. That is a carefully you have to be. Only basic tax flat rate you have to calculate on this, but when we are calculating surcharge, you have to calculate it on this 82 lakhs 20,000. It's clear, no? So 20 lakhs 55,000 surcharge she has to pay. So total it is 1 crore 27 lakhs 2 lakhs 75,000 she has to pay. On this 4% education cess is compulsory. It's clear? On this you have to calculate 4%. So 4 lakhs 11,000 we are getting. So total her tax liability is 1 crore 68 lakhs 6 lakhs 80,000. 1 crore 6 lakhs 86,000. It's clear? Once again I will repeat it. मिस श्रीमती ज्योत्सना 67 ईयर्स की है, सीनियर सिटीजन में आते, ठीक है. अप टू 60 ईयर्स जो भी रहते वो नॉन सीनियर सिटीजन्स रहते हैं. 60 to 80 जो रहते सीनियर सिटीजन्स रहते हैं. 80 अबाउ सुपर सीनियर सिटीजन्स रहते हैं. तो टोटल इनकम इनकी 4 करोड़ है. अगर इनकम 50 लाख से अबाउ है तो सरचार्ज जो है सो लगता उनको ऐड करना रहता, ठीक है ना. ये प्रॉब्लम में अपने को इसलिए सरचार्ज आ रहा. सरचार्ज फ्लैट रेट 20% है. सरचार्ज जो है सो 2 करोड़ से 5 करोड़ के बीच में आ रही इनकी इनकम, इसलिए 25% उनको सरचार्ज लगता. बेसिक एग्जाम्पशन नॉन सीनियर सिटीजन है उन्होंने, इसलिए उनको 3 लाख बेसिक एग्जाम्पशन है. 3 लाख पे उनको जो है सो कोई टैक्स नहीं लगता. सो 4 करोड़ 14 लाख में से 3 लाख निकाल देने के बाद 4 करोड़ 11 लाख पे उनको टैक्स लगता. सो फ्लैट रेट इट हैज़ गिवन नो 20%. 82 लाख 20,000 आ रहा. 82 लाख 20,000 पे सरचार्ज निकालना है, ठीक है. 20% फ्लैट टैक्स का जो भी अपने को आता फ्लैट रेट का, उस वो आंसर पे निकालना रहता सरचार्ज. अगर आप इस पे निकाले तो आपको रॉन्ग हो जाता आंसर. इट्स क्लियर. सो 82 लाख 20,000. सो वी आर गेटिंग 20 लाख 55,000. आफ्टर एडिंग दिस 1 करोड़ 2,75,000 वी आर गेटिंग. उसके ऊपर अपने को 4% हेल्थ एंड एजुकेशन सेस क्वेश्चन में नहीं रहता, कंपलसरी लास्ट में पूरा आंसर आ जाने के बाद आपको जो है सो हेल्थ एंड एजुकेशन सेस 4% ऐड करना रहता. इस पे 1 करोड़ 2,75,000 पे निकालना है आपको 4%. सो यू विल गेट 4,11,000. सो हर टैक्स लायबिलिटी का आंसर अपने को 1 करोड़ 66,86,000 शी हैज़ टू पे. नाउ विल सी द आंसर. प्रॉब्लम नंबर 5th. Problem number 5th we had to know surcharge 20 lakh 55,000. We got correct, no? Surcharge on this we have to calculate, and tax liability is 1 crore 6 lakhs 86,000. So we had done correctly. Now we'll see the next problem. 6th problem. From the following particulars submitted, you calculate the tax liability under old regime. Total income is 3,90,300. Tax rate 20% on flat basis. Assessee is a resident and senior citizen. It's clear with the question. So the income is up to 5 lakhs. So tax rebate under section 87A is allowed. It's clear. It's clear with the question. 3,90,300 income is given. Whoever the assessee senior citizen, he or she, and flat rate if it is given. If the total income is up to 5 lakhs, tax rebate under section 87A is allowed. What are the conditions? 2 conditions. Basic tax and fixed tax 12,500, whichever is least. It's clear, no? Now calculation of tax liability for the assessment year 2024 to 2025. Total income 3,90,300. Tax rate flat 20%. Senior citizen, so basic exemption is 3 lakhs. For the senior citizen, basic exemption is 3 lakhs. So total income minus basic exemption on 90,300 only he or she has to pay the tax. So basic tax is 20% on this 90,300. That means 18,060 rupees. The income, total income is up to below 5 lakhs, no? So tax rebate under section 87A is allowed. List of the following 2. Basic tax 18,060, fixed is 12,400. So least we have to deduct. So 12,500 after deducting we are getting 5,560. On this we have to calculate health and education cess 4% on 5,560. 222 we are getting. So tax liability is 5,782. This is less than 4, no? Last digit, so we will be rounding it to 80 rupees. So 5,780 rupees is the tax liability. It's clear? So once again I'll repeat it. Calculation of tax liability for the assessment year 2024 to 25. Total income is 3,90,300. So tax rate flat 20% it has given. The assessee is senior citizen. He is male or female, it has not mentioned in the question. So he may be senior male or female, but basic exemption is 3 lakhs because to the senior citizens. Senior citizens को 3 lakhs exemption है. ठीक है, ये इनकम इनकी टोटल इनकम अप टू 5 lakhs है तो टैक्स रिबेट लगता है अंडर सेक्शन 87A, उनको डिडक्ट करना है. सो टोटल इनकम में से बेसिक एग्जाम्पशन को माइनस करें तो 90,300 आया. ये 90,300 का फ्लैट रेट 20% कैलकुलेट करें तो अपने को 18,060 आया. 18,060 आने के बाद आपको लेस करना है टैक्स रिबेट अंडर 87A, क्योंकि इनकम जो है सो अप टू 5 लाख है. So basic tax 18,060, fixed 12,500. So 12,500 लीस्ट लेना है अपने को इसमें से. 12,500 ये जो भी आंसर आता है अपने को बेसिक टैक्स का, उसमें से ये माइनस करना है अपने को बेसिक एग्जाम्पशन टैक्स रिबेट. तो अपने को 5560 आ गया. उस पर ऊपर है 4% हेल्थ एंड एजुकेशन सेस कंपल्सरी रहता सब एसएससी को. सो 5560 इंटू 4% 222. सो वी आर गेटिंग 5782. ये लास्ट डिजिट आपको 5 से अगर कम है तो इसको राउंड फिगर कर लेना. 82 को 80 रुपीज़ बना लेना. सो टैक्स लायबिलिटी 5780. इट्स क्लियर? इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट यू कैन आस्क मी. सो प्रॉब्लम नंबर 6 वी हैव कंप्लीटेड. लेट्स चेक द आंसर. प्रॉब्लम नंबर 6, tax liability 5780. It's clear, no? Are you able to understand? You are not commenting. Are you satisfied with my explanation? You want to complete the whole portion of income tax? Comment me.